Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a sales funnel with ClickFunnels, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for a ClickFunnels account. Choose the appropriate plan that suits your needs. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Build Funnel button to start creating your sales funnel. Select the goal of your funnel. This could be generating leads, collecting email addresses, or selling a product. After choosing your goal, ClickFunnels will present various templates. Pick a template that suits your business style. You can customize this template later. Give your funnel a name for easy identification. Click Build Funnel to proceed. Now, you will see a series of steps in your funnel. Common steps include the opt-in page, sales page, and thank you page. Start by editing the opt-in page. Click on the opt-in page link to open the editor. In the editor, you can modify text, images, and layouts. Focus on creating a compelling headline. Add an enticing description and a call to action. Incorporate a form to collect visitors' information. Once satisfied with the opt-in page, save your changes. Next, move on to the sales page. This is where you will present your product or service. Highlight the key features and benefits. Use persuasive language to encourage visitors to make a purchase. Add images or videos to boost engagement. Ensure there is a clear call to action button. Once you've completed the sales page, save your changes. Now, create the thank you page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.